up, everybody? My name is Todd Helzer, and I'm an investor and realtor here in Birmingham, Alabama, and I work with the team Big, where we help people buy and sell investment properties here in Birmingham. Every month, we bring a Birmingham Market update, giving you guys the information you need to make the best decisions for your investments. Please like and subscribe to our channel. That helps you get updates on when we put out new content. So this month we've had a big change in a few areas and not much change in other. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so we have a big stat. We typically go over listings. And honestly, up until this point, it has not shifted very far and it really hasn't gone below the 20%. Well, this month it has changed. So in August of 2022, we had 2,318 listings. And in 2023, we had 2,060. So this is a change of 11%. So we're still down, but it's 11.13% difference. This is significant because we really haven't seen anything below a 20% negative. And so honestly, that is a huge shift. To say that some stuff is going back on market, I don't necessarily have an explanation. We'll have to kind of see if this is a month thing, maybe some people transitioning for schools, or if this is going to be a continued trend. But up until this point, we haven't had listings go below 20%. They've been in the 25 to 20% negative of listings year over year. So it's definitely a significant trend or stat to check to see if it's going to continue to trend. So solds is 2,032 listings in 2022. In 2023, we had 1,486. So this is down negative 26.87%. So this continues to trend with the solds. So we had a lot more listings, but the trend is that the solds are lagging behind the listings. Last month, we were at 25.99% on our listings sold, so we're actually still in a negative. So that's pretty much staying consistent. Okay, so the average sales price in 2022 was $328,353, and in 2023 it was $320,871. And so this is honestly has been a high and low number. It's really honestly has not been the best gauge. Last month we were up 9%. This month we're down negative 2.28%. And so it's really hard to judge. I think a better gauge of where we're at is the medium sales price. And so that in 2022 was $200,066,750. And in 2023, it was $275,000. And this is an increase of 3%, which is typical roughly for real estate gains. So we're kind of trending back to it. Last month, it was at 1.31%. So those shifts are kind of starting to kind of medium out to a consistent real estate gains. We're going to really track that median price, but that is basically your appreciation. So list price to sales price in 2022 was 99.28%. And in 2023, it was 99.25%. So really not much of a shift there. Average days on market went from 18 to 30, and medium days went from 6 to 8. So once again, we're kind of seeing some consistency in some areas and some inconsistency in other areas of what's going on in the market in Birmingham. Overall, we have had a rush through the summer of listings being sold. We have several listings that are still moving. I will say one thing that we are seeing, and I've talked with a lot of our current listings that are tenant occupied. We do a lot of those. If you ever have a portfolio, reach out to us. We'd be happy to help you. But that said, right now with the interest rates where they are, it's making it really hard for investors to make the numbers work. And so we've seen a decrease in offers on our tenant occupied properties. And so if you price it right, it will still move and make sense. But sometimes, it makes sense to just hold on to those till maybe the interest rates are in a little bit better position for other investors to make offers. So that's just good news to know. If you have a tenant occupied property, reach out to us. If you're thinking about selling it, we'll evaluate it for you, kind of give you a good idea of whether it's a good time to move it or not. So the last thing we talk about is just where interest rates are. The 30-year mortgage index started at 6.9% and ended at 7.18%. So that is 28 basis points difference, so over a quarter point jump. And that's what we kind of go back to is talking is this, as the interest rate keeps on increasing, it's going to make it more difficult for investors to be in the market. And we're seeing a little bit of a pullback. So not a complete pullback. People are still buying. People are still moving properties. It is just an opportunity, I think, for some buyers to put offers out. And I think an opportunity for some sellers to sell if they have a premium product or a product that's positioned well. So reach out to us. We'd love to help. Once again, thank you for checking out our content. Please like and subscribe to the channel so we can keep on giving you content of what's happening in the Birmingham market. Hope you all have a great week, and we'll talk to you soon.